So if you follow the link I sent you with the email, you should be at this page. And now you just basically follow a simple process. Install a browser add-on, not Grease Monkey. That's for Firefox. It's one called Tamper Monkey for Chrome and Safari. So you can open a new tab, get to the Chrome store, however you do, and then just type in Tamper Monkey. You should see one that comes up that looks like this little spray bottle. Just click on it and say add to Chrome. Mine's already there, so you don't have to. Once you've done that, you can close that tab and come back here, go to number 2, install the Access Report Data user script. Click on that link and then click right here. Mine says reinstall, but yours should say install because you've never done it before. Okay? And then that's it. That's all you have to do now. When you go log into you may have to refresh this page if you were already on it, but when you go to your Canvas course and you go to your people, you should see that green button. And in the previous video, you saw how it worked. All right. See ya.